In verse 20, Arjuna is described with an adjective, Kapidhwaja, meaning one whose flag bears the emblem of monkey. The restless monkey bound on the flag symbolizes the mind brought under control before the battle, that is, before attempting to solve any problem, the mind must be steady and disciplined. Only when the mind is under control can one stand between the two armies and clearly examine the good and evils. As Arjuna requested, Sri Krishna positioned the chariot between the two armies in such a way that important people like Bhishma, Drona, etc. could be seen and said, O Partha, take a look at the army of the Kauravas. There is a special reason why only Bhishma and Drona are mentioned here in this shloka. You will soon see its significance. Sri Krishna is once again referred to here as Hrishikesha, the Lord of senses, which is clear and meaningful. But calling Arjuna Gudakesha in this context is very striking. Gudaka means deep sleep, the state of complete forgetfulness. One who has control over such a sleep is Gudakesha. This was a unique quality of Arjuna. He was never careless or negligent, not even in sleep. He was always alert and vigilant. In a war, such unwavering alertness is absolutely essential. Only then can victory be assured. In fact, when we try to give up a bad habit, even a slight lapse of attention can make us its slave again. Right after calling Arjuna Gudakesha, Sanjaya addresses Dhritarashtra as Bharata, and that seems almost ironic. Bharata literally means see with the light of knowledge. Sanjaya is reminding Dhritarashtra to awaken his inner vision, but as the saying goes, one who is asleep can be awakened, one who pretends to sleep cannot be awakened. Dhritarashtra does not wish to wake up.